here at a friend's house here at Bowling Green here. And here in one of the rooms is a Hunter 44-inch baseball ceiling fan here. There's the blades. There's the top of it. It's a little dirty. There's the reverse switch. There's the globe. I'm not gonna try to take the globe down. I don't want to break it. Oops. Here we go. There's a switch. That's the light. That's the fan. And now I'll turn the fan on. Alright. Wait a minute. I'm gonna try the fan. Alright. Now I'm like, see. There we go. Just forgot to flip the switch. I don't know what I was thinking. There's the light. Really nice fan. That's low. Here's medium. Ooh, that feels good. I'm pretty sure feels good. That's medium. Now we'll turn it to high. There's high. Ooh, that feels good. Turn the light on. And there's high. We're gonna turn it to, now I'm gonna turn it to medium. That feels good. Alright, that's medium. Now we're gonna put it back on low. That's where I found it. There's low. Now turn this fan off. Oops. Now turn it to off. There's the blades. Very nice fan, Hunter. Sports fan, series, autograph, model, Hunter, big, Legu, I don't know. It says the same thing. Two, three, four. All right. There you go. This has been a Hunter baseball 44-inch ceiling fan here at a friend's house, and then that's it.